We focus a lot in this society on education and a college degree. There were some components of college that was very beneficial to me. Definitely the networking, the relationships and friendships that I fostered from college. I went to college for finance, and ironically, the first gig out of college was the mortgage industry. However, if my finance degree was so important and so valued, then why did they spend too much training me on how mortgages work and how to efficiently offer them and what the rules, regulations, and laws are surrounding the lending industry? I didn't learn any of that in college. So really what it told me is that my education degree was actually worthless to my employer because they had to train me all over again for 2 whole months to do my job efficiently and effectively. So think about that. Depending on, college is good for some things. Maybe you want to be a lawyer, maybe you want to be a doctor, maybe you want a skilled trade. College is a great thing. You want to be an entrepreneur and be really good at sales? Skip college. Take care. God bless.